Hi friends! Kumusta kayong lahat? It's Miss A here again. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here inside my car and as you can see, medyo madilim kasi it's 3:30 a.m. and I forgot to, switch on the light inside my car. So I'm here waiting for my kasama going somewhere because we will have a self-defense seminar. So, this is now the venue, guys, and super lucky and first glance talaga. Unang kita ko pa lang dito sa aming pagpasok, parang I like the area na kasi malaki siya. Ayan. So, here's the tour. So, pagdating, coffee agad, my friends. Ayan, so let's have coffee. So guys, early bird catches
the
the
wings.
chicken and the chicken and the egg and the banana. So, breakfast muna kami. Okay na ka, makit-end ka? And we have coffee. Hello guys, so this is our room.
Karaan na gid siya.
Karaan siya. Minsan diri aw sa amin.
At least nagunat tamang ay wala nang nagibutang sa babaw. Di ba?
Na siya closet.
Lugay pa man gid siguro sa
Uy, na siya ref. Uy, magchika-chika pag ito diyo. Murag na siya kuan. Ganahan ko kay na siya. Murag na siya executive kanang corner. Executive, ginong game.
buta na here, pwede ra buta rin na here.
Okay. Hi friends! It's lunch break time so I feel so sleepy kasi 12 midnight na ako nakatulog kagabi and I woke up 3 o'clock in the morning kanina. So, mag-nap na tayo. Hey guys! So, it's morning na. Nakabis na ako. Nakahiga! Parin! We're waiting for the time. Hi friends! So, breakfast time. And,
Dinasend naman ako
There's
kung
an
ba na good akong mga picture.
and banana. Guys, I love this one. I do not know if this is corned beef. Sarap talaga siya. And this is our snacks for the second day morning. And ang laki! Sarap! Lalo na pag inuman natin ng juice, my friend. We're waiting for a lunch and we're here in the table. Beside this mango.
Magludi ka.
Hi friends, it's lunchtime. This is our lunch. Look, wako kay Clips. Siyempre buntis, very result sa... Friends, meron pang additional. It's tapioca. Ano mga vlog ko? Guys, snack na naman, snacks. Ayan. Tamabiko. Tamo ka. Ay, shadow. Ito po totoo ito. Oh my God. Let's eat. Pansit. Parang pagkain na ano, yung maarti. Walo. And ang sarap, sikwati. So friends, it's still 5:46 in the afternoon. So we're having dinner already. And this is our dinner. Look. O, diba? My fish, meatballs, and I don't know what kind of meat is this. This one. And there's a soup. And so, kain muna ko mga friends.
Meeting ba?
Basi. Guys, busog na ako. And hindi ko na maubos ang aking custard. Tama ba? Ay, leche flan. My God, bakit hindi ko na alam? Leche flan. Custard cake. So this ends up our seminar, my friend. Thank you for watching. I hope hindi kayo magsawang panoorin pa ang mga boring kong mga video.